Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If you have luxury watches, then they also deserve a first class seat wherever you go. And that's why we got this 3-watch travel case from TAWBURY that's designed to not only protect your precious timepieces, but also look good while doing it. So we chose this taupe color and check out how gorgeous this case is. So it's covered in top grain leather that's incredibly smooth to touch. As soon as we received this in the mail, we could instantly tell that it was made out of high quality materials. I mean, even the packaging was superb. We love how the metal zipper glides nice and smooth. And as soon as you open the case, you have 3 sturdy M-shaped pillows that will keep your precious watches or any other jewelry nice and secure. We like how it has this removable lid insert that either acts as extra cushioning for your more thinner watches, or you can remove it to make space for your larger face watches. But what sets this case apart from all the others is that every side of this case is protected by a lightweight engineered wood structure underneath this beautiful full grain leather. So you can definitely travel with confidence knowing that your watches are in good hands with TAWBURY. We would highly, highly, highly recommend this to all you watch lovers out there, but that's just our point of view.